What if you could turn AI-generated images into a cinematic short film? Today, I'll show you how I created consistent movie-quality scenes using Dreamina Seedance 2.0 video and edited everything inside CapCut PC. Also, CapCut is launching its new AI video model, 2.5, with support for generating videos up to 30 seconds in one go, plus video extensions for even longer cinematic sequences. Everything you're about to see was created using AI, from the characters and environments to the animation and the final edit. Instead of generating random scenes, I'll start with a simple story. I'll first create the main character using GPT Image 2.0. Young female photographer, mid-20s, cinematic movie lighting, realistic portrait, brown jacket, expressive eyes, film photography aesthetic, GPT Image 2.0 creates a realistic cinematic character that we can reuse across multiple scenes. Next, I'll create supporting scenes and environments. One young woman sitting alone in a small apartment at night, examining an old camera. Warm lamp lighting, cinematic atmosphere, realistic film still. Rainy city street at night, young woman walking under neon lights, cinematic movie scene, dramatic reflections, realistic scene prompt, 3 old photograph coming to life. Rooftop overlooking city skyline at sunrise, emotional ending scene, cinematic masterpiece, realistic film quality. Now we have a complete set of story-driven images instead of isolated advertisements. Now comes the exciting part. I'll transform each image into realistic cinematic video sequences using Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini. Cinematic camera motion, emotional storytelling, realistic facial expressions, movie-quality cinematography, apartment scene result voiceover. Notice how the character naturally interacts with the camera, while smooth cinematic movement adds depth and realism to the scene. The walking animation feels fluid, while the reflections, lighting, and camera movement create a dramatic movie-like atmosphere. Seedance 2.0 Mini brings the emotional sequence to life with smooth transitions and believable character motion. One of the most impressive things about Seedance 2.0 Mini is how well it preserves character consistency across different scenes. Motion feels natural, facial expressions stay believable, and every shot blends together like a professionally produced short film. And that's how I use GPT Image 2.0, Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini, and CapCut PC to create cinematic AI films with consistent characters, emotional storytelling, and professional editing. If you'd like to see more AI filmmaking workflows, comment AI film below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.